You breeze in the morning. Every step is so golden. Oh yeah, breathing you slowly. I never thought you would open.
Hey guys! Today is our tournament day, ang Jiminton. So marami na pong mga kaibigan ko na nandito. And unang-una syempre salamat po sa presensya ng lahat ng mga nakapunta sa araw na to. Today is Sunday. So syempre usually di ba family day, pero binigay nila yung time nila sa akin para sa larong to. And excited ako sa mga mangyayari ngayon, kaya abangan ninyo kung sino-sino yung mga magkakakampi, magkakatapat sa kalaban, sino yung mananalo, at yung mangyayari mismo sa rally ng badminton.
I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near me at the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know.
Okay, so ito po ang team...
Yum Burger! Ay!
Sa tingin,
Ay, sorry, hindi siya ready.
sa
Go!
tingin mo ba kayo ang magcha-champion at bakit?
I think yes, because sobrang nila.
Sinong ayaw niyong makatapat na kalaban?
Si Philip po.
Buti na lang.
Kasi tignan mo
naglalaro na
po,
siya.
nakasima ako.
Ayan, so let's go guys. Congratulations. Agad-agad. Kung kayo
Team
magcha-champion.
Yum!
Tingin mo ba kayo magcha-champion? Bakit? At sino ang ayaw niyo makatapat? At anong preparation ang ginawa ninyo?
Ang ayaw namin na makatapat, wala.
Ay, bakit?
Kaya namin lahat eh.
Wow! Ate, totoo?
Pamamagitan ng pagmamahalan sa isa't isa kakayanin namin.
Ang feeling nyo naman! Good luck, guys. Let's go. Hi, guys! Ano pangalan ng team nyo?
Hello, we are Team 6.
Yes! Ano po ang preparation na ginawa ninyo bago ang game na to?
Brainstorming tayo kanina.
Yes, we kumbaga, chinek namin yung mga technique ng mga kalaban natin. Ano pa? Nag-warm up tayo together as dancers.
Yeah, totoo. Sino ang ayaw ninyong makatapat sa game?
Kayo.
Sa tingin mo ba, ate, kayo ang magcha-champion?
Yes!
Yes, feeling ko mataas ang
Kakayanin
chance.
natin yan.
Yes.
I love the confidence.
Green, go!
Let's go! Good luck!
Yay! Good luck, everyone!
Ano pangalan ng team nyo? Team Cutie. So sa tingin nyo ba kayo magcha-champion for today's
Siyempre
game?
hindi, bakit namin iisipin yan?
Hindi, kami sports kami, kaya supportahan namin kung sino man yung ano.
Magpapatalo lang talaga kami ngayon.
Kasi
Yes.
sabi nga ni coach, nung nag-training kami nung nakaraan, huwag mong isipin yung iba. So, kailangan ang kalaban mo dito yung sarili mo. Kaya kami maglalaban.
Kakampe laban sa
Kakampi.
Ganun talaga yun.
So anong preparation ninyo bago mangyari?
Talagang ano ko.
Talagang hotdog lang kasi madaling araw. Ganun yung preparation.
Nataabuti ng alas 4.
Kasi kailangan natin energy, di ba?
Yes! So sa lahat ng participant dito, sino ang ayaw ninyong makatapat?
Ayoko lahat.
Uy! Ang bilis!
Umuwi na kayo. Tigilan na itong at competition.
Tatalo na lang sila sa amin mamaya.
Yan.
Ibigay na nila rin sa amin.
Okay,
Oo
go!
nga.
Good luck guys! Fighting!
Yes, fighting!
So ano pong preparation ang ginawa ninyo bago ang larong ito?
Actually, wala. Kinausap ko lang siya. Ikaw na bahala.
Okay.
Ako, basta sabi namin, kung kayo nung malapit, doon na lang po.
Sa lahat ng players, sino ang kinakatakutan ninyong katapat?
Siguro po, sila Michael, tsaka po sila.
Oo! Oo, eh.
Siyempre, tingnan mo naman, sobrang batak, nababatak na rin yung braso.
Props lang yan! Good luck guys! Fighting! Ano pangalan ng team natin?
JJ.
Pwede, pwede. So, kami ang Team JJ. Magka-team kami ngayon ni JP para sa game na to. Ano bang preparation ginawa natin?
Naglaro. Simula nung nakaraan pa.
At kagabi! Nag-book kami dito kagabi ulit.
Parehas
So,
kaming puyat.
Yes! At pinag-usapan namin na color white kami ngayon. Sinong ayaw mo makatapat?
Si Jinho, ito, sila Nicole, si Philip. Yan.
Oo, same kami. Kung sino ayaw niya makatapat, yun din yung ayaw ko makatapat. At saka yung kuya ko. Let's go!
You breeze in the morning. Every step is so golden. Oh yeah, breathing you slowly. I never thought you would open up for me. I promise I will give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I never know son of mine. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me. Oh, ooh, whoa.
First game, sila po ang nanalo. So ano masasabi ninyo na kayo ang nanalo? Mas magaling to sa akin.
Basta lagi teamwork lang. Wow!
Yes! Actually guys, first time lang nila mag-meet ngayong araw. Pero nanalo sila. So congratulations! Congrats! Second game.
Heart beats up and down in a gambling phase. Going round and round, it's a trampoline stay. Oh, it's like I never run out of breath, and I don't care if we make a mess. Doesn't matter what's coming next. So can we just be bonafide? Girl, you got me waking up confused, lost in time. Every moment tastes like someone can never get enough. Summer sugar kisses left behind, and I don't wanna fall in love.
Yes! Grabe naman!
Can we just be bonafide? So can we just be bonafide? Get stuck in this situation and let go all inhibitions now with no intermission. Why are you so goddamn cold? Tell me why.
Thank you to my partner, Joms. Grabe. Like, first time namin mag-partner. Pero
chemistry.
The chemistry is there. I heard our name is now Chili Mansi. Thank you for your support, everyone.
I've been alone too long. I don't know how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane. They showed up out of nowhere. Damn, now I got a halo. So keep up. I'm saying, but they praying I keep up. Don't let up on me. I know you're waiting so patiently. I've been on the way for long. Everything needs to place. Only thing I'm missing is seeing you face to face.
Yes! Lapit agad, lapit!
What you need to know. That you are all I want. That you are all I want. Please don't leave. 'Cause the time is running out. And our lives are running out. Please don't leave. I'll stay to show you how for you.
Ano bang masasabi ninyo na kayo ang nanalo habang hinihingal pa kayo?
Hingal ka? Kapag naman ang mukha.
Sabihin nun, laglag na kami?
Ha?
Laglag na ba kami?
Sana na-late mo pa lalo.
Kaya nga para hindi namin kayo malaban.
namin yung isa sa kanila matatag.
Ayan po, haters gotta hate.
Yes! Congratulations!
Jump! Burger!
Congrats!
Hey!
1-0 agad.
따라 지금 여기 흥얼 거려 멜로디 참 넓은 순간적에서 everyday 스치는 말은 maybe 날 따라 걷는 기분 need a chill, but you're bringing the heat, yeah. Miracle matter, level up your ladder, never let go. 그만의 톤, 날 보고 식은 너의 표정, 다른 건 눈에 안 들어와.
Guys, we won!
Grabe si Josh.
May demon nyo sa likod.
Muntik na kami kay Josh.
Pero sobrang dikit ng laban kasi ang galing din ng coordination ng kalaban natin,
Humabol sila.
JP. Humabol sila, as in magkatapat na kami sa tree. So,
Lakas talaga kapit namin.
wala sa aming guardian angel. Ayan, congrats to us, JP. Team JJ.
Pahinga ko muna.
Rest mo na.
You got me wrapped around your touch. Lose me and bring me down to earth. Oh, it's like I'm tired of you, 'cause baby I don't understand why I just keep coming back like your gravity. Ooh, baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, I find myself just playing pretend. You make me fall in love. You make me fall in love and that again. Love and that again.
Wow! So guys, after ng game, dalawang direktor ang magkakampi. Kamusta naman po at anong pakiramdam na kayo ang nanalo sa laban ninyo?
Teka, parang logi ah. In-interview kami kung kailan pawis na. Hindi, masaya kasi ano, fun lang. Walang pressure yung
Yeah. Direct Hero?
Ito yung team na hindi namin expect.
Exactly!
Diba?
Kasi si Derek Hero, hindi naman talaga siya dapat maglalaro, pero dahil hindi
Shooter
nakapunta
ako eh.
yung isa, si dalawang director ang naging magkakampi.
Eh, Team Recti.
Yes! Congratulations!
Thank
Team Recti.
Where did all the times go? When did they all pass by? How did I get so lost in a blink of an eye? Gone.
Guys, bili na kayo? Bili na po kayo?
It's all over now. Damn, I gotta move on away from my comfort zone. Yeah, I gotta stay strong, even if my wounds open and show. Yeah, I gotta live hard for the present.
Ready na akong matalo. So good luck! Good luck to us.
It'll be alright, right? I can't take this pill.
At ngayon, since nakalaro ng lahat, magpaparaffle po muna tayo. First, JP! Okay, congratulations, JP Belleza!
Right? I can't take this pill, not any longer. Yeah, I'm just sucked in time.
Okay, Philip ako. Pinakita ko na kung sino siya.
alone too long. Gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane. You showed up out of nowhere, damn. Now I got a halo. So keep up. I'm sitting with the brain, I keep up. Don't let up on me.
Bago matapos ang ating tournament vlog, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Fellet Philippines, Roche Entertainment Productions, Cinematic PH, Tri Summit Entertainment, my family, friends, co-creators na nag-participate. Alam ko na sobrang busy ninyo. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko rin mag-thank you kay Coach JD. Siya ang aming siya pa aming umpire. Thank you kay Boncho, yung scorer natin the whole time. And sa kuya ko, kasi siya talaga nag-push sa akin na gawin ko. Ayan. Siyempre gusto ko i-congratulate ang ating dalawang champion ngayon. Philip and Nicole. So, any message? Quick message lang.
Thank you po sa Jive Minton Season 1. Masaya po, nakachamba lang kami.
Thank you kay Ate Jai kasi in-invite kami, yun lang. Thank you.
Ayan. At syempre dahil kayo po ay nanalo, meron kayong medal! Congratulations ulit lahat sa atin at sana hindi ito ang last. At dito ko na po tatapusin ang video na to. This is Jiminton Tournament Season 1!
The time's lost in a blink of an eye gone. You were just here by my side, everything was nice now. I take it, it's all over now. Damn, I gotta move on, away from my comfort zone.